Dark oxygen, the hidden secret of the deep ocean. In the depths of the ocean, where sunlight never reaches, scientists have discovered something that defies everything we thought we knew about life. For decades, it was a well-established fact. Oxygen is produced only through photosynthesis. Plants, algae, and certain bacteria use sunlight to release oxygen into our atmosphere. But this assumption was shattered by a surprising discovery in 2021. The research took place in the northeastern Atlantic Ocean. Off the coast of the Azores Islands, waters nearly depleted of oxygen. In these samples, scientists found a microbial species, Nitrosopumilus maritimus. This microbe, known to oxidize ammonia in oxygen-rich waters, appeared to be thriving in a place where oxygen had completely vanished. Biologically, that made no sense. Its energy cycle was supposed to depend on oxygen. So how is this microbe surviving in an oxygen-free environment? To solve the mystery, a research team from the University of Southern Denmark brought the microbe into a laboratory setting. They placed it in a completely deoxygenated environment. According to every biological rule, the microbe should have died, but it didn't. Instead, oxygen sensors began to detect something astonishing. Oxygen levels rising from within the sealed chamber. No external oxygen had been added. Initially, researchers assumed it was a measurement error, but they repeated the experiments again and again, every time the same result. Nitrosopumilus maritimus was producing oxygen in complete darkness. How was this even possible? The answer lay in the microbe's internal chemistry. During ammonia oxidation, it generates an intermediate compound, nitrite, then converts it into nitric oxide, NO. Through a process never before seen in any living organism, it performs dismutation, splitting nitric oxide into nitrogen gas, N2, and pure oxygen, O2. In other words, this microbe creates its own oxygen without needing light. Even more fascinating, the oxygen it produces doesn't just keep it alive, it also helps other nearby microorganisms survive. In its own small way, this microbe supports a micro-ecosystem in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. This discovery had major implications, not just for ocean science, but for our understanding of life itself. It raised new questions about Earth's early atmosphere and whether oxygen might have existed before photosynthetic life evolved. And it sparked new interest in the possibility of life on other planets, worlds without sunlight, where microbes might generate oxygen through completely different chemical means. To this day, scientists across the globe continue to study this phenomenon. In the lightless depths of our oceans, life still finds a way. And this discovery reminds us once again, the world we think we know is still full of mysteries.